Welcome to the Adsonica Academy. In this video you'll learn about the various options available when it comes to saving your audio display ad. So, before saving, you must have entered the preview mode to test out your ad. When you're happy with your audio display ad preview, navigate to the top right hand corner and hover over Save Ad. Option 1 is saving a preview URL. Clicking this generates a link to a preview of the audio display ad you just created, which is useful for sharing internally or with clients for review. Click Copy Link to copy it to your clipboard. Option 2 is downloading the audio display ad as a zip. The name of the DSP you chose when you first logged into the studio will be displayed under Generic. Click the name of the DSP you're using to download a compatible zip file. So right now I'll click Google Ad Manager and you'll see that it's just gone into my downloads. The zip contains our patented Adsonica JPEG, an image file with an audio file embedded inside it. It also holds our lightweight script unpacker, which enables the audio to play when the listen button is clicked. If you want to change DSP or add a different DSP, click Reload Providers at the top of the drop-down menu and make your selection. If your DSP isn't listed, just get in touch and we'll do our best to add it as soon as possible. Option 3 is saving the file to your desktop without our lightweight script unpacker. Select this option if you're not using your Adsonica file to advertise on the display networks. Option 4, the final option, is saving the file as an MP4. If you plan on using the MP4 on social media, click this drop-down menu and choose X264, which is a type of video optimized for social networks. The ad will automatically save in the dimensions it was created in, but if you need it to be a square for social media, which is generally accepted, click this one here and you can download it as a square. So thank you for watching this Adsonica Academy tutorial. Now you're ready to save audio display ads in a variety of file formats, harnessing the power of sound to increase engagement and brand awareness across the internet. Get started in the studio today or head to the Academy for more tutorials.